Thank you for joining the SEBS Virtual Open House. Welcome, my name is Tom Leustek, and I'm the Dean of Academic Programs at the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences at Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey. We aren't able to meet you in person today, unfortunately, but please know that our university and school are eager to describe the many opportunities that await you should you decide that Rutgers SEBS is your school of choice. We hope that this virtual open house will give you an overview of what a great place our community is to learn, to explore, and to grow into your career. Today's event will allow you to virtually connect with students, staff, and faculty to give you a glimpse of what we are about. You will get to ask questions and learn about our programs of study, facilities, and opportunities. You will get to see our campus, classrooms, labs, field facilities, and many more aspects of life here available to give you a full and exciting educational experience. The School of Environmental and Biological Sciences has unique focus areas at Rutgers University. The disciplines that we specialize in include agriculture, natural resources, food production, food processing, nutrition and health, climate science, ocean sciences, and energy. And while we have Jersey roots, we feel it's really important to be globally engaged. There are three major advantages of choosing SEBS for your education. These include the many possibilities of learning beyond the classroom, in research barns, greenhouses, ecological preserves, and agricultural field stations around the state, to name a few. We offer an intimate and supportive small school experience within a major research university and all of the opportunities that this offers. And we offer extensive options for study abroad. We hope that you enjoy the open house today. In addition, I invite you to attend a live virtual class to sample the kinds of classes that we offer. You can choose from a large list based on your interests. Go to scbs.rutgers.edu/virtual-class. Also, please take advantage of live information sessions that will be held this week. Go to scbs.rutgers.edu/visit. Thank you for your interest in the School of Environmental and Biological Sciences at Rutgers University. I look forward to seeing you on campus